Has anybody been checking the biscuits?
Oh! Oh my god.
Oh!
Yeah, it's right there.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to How to Make Waffle House at Home.
Don't play with it, don't be the size. Still not understand.
So what we're doing today, right now, it's currently 11:45 a.m. We're going to order Waffle House for everyone to eat today, and then we decided that was so expensive, $70 for like just a few little meals and whatever. So we decided not to do that. We are decided that we are going to cook Waffle House at home. We went to Save a Lot. We got the ingredients. We got some hash browns, some eggs, some pancakes, which we're gonna make waffles actually. Don't mind my spray tan, it's coming off. It looks like freckles, it looks like weird, I look like I have a mustache. Don't mind that, okay? Okay. See you guys back at the house. My phone might fall, I gotta do this quick. So, sweet tea to drink, sausage patties, pancake mix, but we're gonna use it in a waffle maker. We got, just forget it, it's gonna be down here for now. Then biscuits, chocolate chips for our waffle, brown, eggs. So yeah, now Robert just told Tiffany to do something. Preheat it to what?
350 degrees.
Preheat the oven to 350 degrees, because I'm assuming that's for the biscuits. So yeah. Okay, we got this preheating, we got the skillet. Robert's washing his hands, and he's putting the sausage on the skillet.
Oh! Oh my god.
Oh!
Yeah, it's right there.
Good thing we got two.
Here's our biscuits that burned.